Welcome, Buccaneer. As a Berry student, you can easily monitor your account statement via your student portal. This tutorial will guide you through reviewing your account summary and accessing your statement. Let me show you how. Begin by logging into the student portal. Once on the home screen, click on the tile labeled Student Finance. You will be redirected to the account summary page. Scroll down to the blue links below the total account balance and click on the semester you wish to review. On the account activity page, you can view charges listed in your student account, check financial aid awards, both anticipated or disbursed, see payments made towards your account, and review processed refunds. You'll want to click on the Charges tab to expand and view detailed charges for the selected semester. Expand the Financial Aid tab to view list of eligible awards, status of disbursement, which is disbursed or anticipated. Note that aid typically disperses after the add drop period, contingent on enrollment in the minimum required credits. The total balance at the bottom of the page reflects anticipated aid deducted from the total charges for the selected term. This balance may change if there are updates to your financial aid awards after the add drop period. You can print a PDF hard copy of your registration statement by clicking on the View Statement at the top right-hand corner of the page. Don't forget to view our other tutorials on how to make a one-time payment or sign up for a payment plan. Thanks for tuning in.